Okay guys, so it's Mask Monday. Had to whip the robe back out, and today we are going to be doing a hair mask and a skin mask. So today I'm going to be using an aloe vera plant. I hope it ain't ooh, that suck. Anywho, I'm gonna be using the rest of this aloe plant because I've had it for a while and I don't want it to get old. I don't even know if they can. And I'm going to be using this lemon. Aloe vera, I know for a fact, is really good for the skin. And I don't know if y'all can see, but I do have a blemish here. And on my cheek. Like usually when I used to have bumps, this is a good tip. So if you have acne, you could take a plant like this, the aloe plant, which you can get from Walmart or Kroger or something like that. And what I'll do is like rub my finger here, or you can cut a piece and like you can directly put that on the mark. So let's say I want to get rid of that pimple, I would sleep with that on it, and when I wake up it would be flat. It's magic. So also I'm going to be putting the aloe vera on my hair because I used it to finger coil my hair before and it works really good. Aloe is good for a lot of things, but it didn't leave a film on my hair and it wasn't like crunchy. So hey, why not get to, you know, things out of it. So for this mask, all you will need is a lemon and an aloe plant. And I'm gonna be taking this empty Olay container. You can use any container you have. And I'm gonna cut me a piece of lemon off really fast. I'm also gonna put some in my water. That's another thing that helped clear my skin up. Like I stopped drinking juice because bitch, I was shook. Once I started having bumps and problems, I was like, no, what am I doing wrong? So I realized that I was barely drinking water. So I went in, like I started making all these different types of detox waters, and it really helped out. So I'm just gonna add this lemon into my water like so. Oh, and another thing, a lot of people were saying, okay, well, how do you get rid of your dark marks? And I was using like some cream. I'm just squeezing the lemon juice in here. But yeah, I did use some cream, but also this mask that I'm doing right here is really good for lightening dark spots. So I have my lemon juice. In here, and I'm just gonna put this inside. Now, time for the aloe. I'm cutting a piece off. So I'm just gonna, you know, peel this off and rip it open. I'm trying not to get this robe dirty because bitch, I gotta wear this every Monday. Y'all probably like, you could wash it, but once I wash it, I feel like it's not gonna be like as white anymore. Okay, so here it is right now. I'm just gonna peel this skin off. So right now, all this sticky stuff that I have on my hand, I'm just gonna Also, you know what this mask reminds me of? The egg yolk mask. I used to do that mask all the time. So I have the first layer of aloe on my skin. And in here I have my lemon juice and aloe. And I'm gonna take the end of my makeup brush and just smush everything down together and mix everything up. And then I'm gonna spread the mask on my face, and we're gonna keep that on there for about 5 minutes while we do our hair mask. And I did wash my face before doing this mask. I used my Noxzema So while my face mask is drying, I'm going to take this Cantu Deep Treatment Mask for natural hair, and I'm going to massage this into my hair, double masking. So now that this mask is in my hair, so at first the Aloe and Lemon mask feels a bit irritating, but then you let that dry on your skin, and once it starts to dry, it feels way better. So at first it was a little irritating, but okay, I still have my mask on, but I decided to brush out my hair because that makes it curl up more. And I want everything to be evenly distributed. And I still have the mask on my face. It feels hella tight, but not like unbearably tight. Y'all probably like, bitch, I thought I was watching a mask. How this turned into a finger coil tutorial? It's not a tutorial, but I'm just showing y'all what I'm doing while I have this mask on and while I have this mask in my hair. The middle of my hair, like the inside, stays curly, but it's like the outside pieces that are still really damaged. So I'm just trying to finger coil that so when it dries, it's not totally like fucked up. So now I'm about to rinse this mask off, for real this time, and moisturize my skin. And I'll update y'all after that. I feel like my face is really tight. Y'all probably can't even see the mask on. But yes, I'm about to rinse that off and I'll be back. So my blemishes that I had are flat. And I don't know if I'm tripping, but I feel like my skin looks brighter or more vibrant. So if you feel like you have dark around your mouth or dark under eye circles, this is a good mask for you. And I'm just going to take a little bit of the Aloe and I'm just going to put that on this bump and on my cheek right here, because I'm gonna let that stay on all day, all night. So that was today's Mask Monday video. My hair still has to dry, but these are the curls after doing a hair mask using Cantu Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask, which is supposed to restore and strengthen dry hair. And then I added some Aloe to my hair as well. And then, yes, this is my skin after the... Thank you guys so much for watching. See you all next Monday. I'm about to upload a vlog, so I'm gonna see you before then. But see you when it comes to skin and shit next Monday. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.